In this video, I will show you how to free up storage space in your Google Smart TV and your storage capacity as far as Google TV is concerned. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do right here, you want to go ahead and simply go to the Home tab right here. Then from Home tab, we can go ahead and proceed to setting from this home screen right here. Go ahead and click on OK, and then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to scroll down. Continue to scroll down and go ahead and make sure you click on apps. And the next thing you want to do right here is to make sure you look for Google Play Store. But in some cases, if you cannot find Google Play Store from the home screen right here, from your recently apps, go ahead and click on See All Apps. And the next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down until you get to Show System Apps. Click on Show System Apps. Then you have more system apps load up right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see all system apps on your Android TV. However, this depends on the kind of Android TV version you are using. That will determine the type of system app you're going to find right here. Okay. Now, the next thing you want to do is to make sure you look for Google Play Store right here. Go ahead and click on OK, and then go ahead and hit on Open, just like so. Now, the next thing we want to do right here is to make sure we navigate to the Google account on the Google Play Store. Go ahead and click on the Google account, and the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to Manage Apps and Game, and then slide to the sidebar and come down right here where you have Free Up Storage. Go ahead and click on Free Up Storage. It's going to take you right here. So here you have all apps that you install and the one that was pre-installed on your Google TV right here. So right here, you can remove as many as possible unnecessary and unuseful app right here in order to free up more storage space on your Google Smart TV. So for that, you can simply scroll down right here, select as many as possible apps that you want to remove. So I'm going to remove this, and I'm going to remove this, and at the same time, I'm going to remove this, just like so. I'm going to remove about 3 different apps. Okay, so I'm going to remove about 2 different apps. This one here consumes about 18 megabytes, while this one here consumes about 43 megabytes. You can remove, I'm going to remove this one. I'm going to uncheck. So you can remove as many as possible apps at a go in order to free up storage space. And one more thing here is that you will have access to your storage capacity on your Android device on your Google TV. This particular Android device, Google TV, is using about 4.3 gigabytes, and out of it, I've already used 2.2. So if I remove some of this app right here, I'm going to gain more storage space. So what we want to do next is to go ahead and make sure we click on uninstall. Boom, and uninstall successful without any stress. And then by the time I go back to home page right here, and I go ahead, you can see, and I go ahead and click on free up storage right here. Now I'm going to gain more storage space right here. You can remove as many as possible unnecessary apps to free up storage space on your Google Smart TV. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.